Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. I just want to update with another Ethereum video just before the member live stream starts today at 5 p.m. UTC. By the way, if you're interested in joining, feel free to check out the membership. Today we want to talk about position sizing, how you calculate that, when you enter a futures trade, leverage trading, and how to calculate sort of your risk and liquidation price and things like that. Members asked for that, so if that's something that interests you, check out the channel membership. 5 o'clock UTC, 5 p.m. Yeah, but you can also watch all the recordings of previous live streams. So, previous video we talked about this triangle. It's been with us throughout the entire weekend. I'm in I would prefer a move to the upside, trend continuation to the upside. Also because the higher level pattern is not yet fully complete, and because this was a trend reversal error that so far has held. And basically a turning point or a purchase area or long trade area. And all of that would have worked out so far. I do always recommend that if you enter in these areas, feel free to move up your stop loss at least to break even, because you never know if it eventually will break down. At the moment, we have a really good Elliott Wave triangle here, which, possibly could really be complete now. In the previous video, we talked about we did draw this AC line between the A wave low and the C wave low, and we highlighted that often towards the end of a triangle, the price does break out actually briefly towards the, let's say, towards the wrong side of the line, which it actually did. So it's actually textbook. The thing is only now it needs to follow through. I mean, so far it's making the right attempts. Yeah, it's pushing it to the upside. It is broken above the D wave high. But what is always important, it needs to break above the B wave, and it hasn't really done that substantially yet. Yeah. Yes, I mean, by whatever a fraction of a cent it did, I'm reluctant to use that as confirmation that the triangle is breaking in such a volatile market as the crypto market. But it's certainly on the right way. And if it really breaks above the 1723 level, then I'm going to consider that the triangle is broken. That would be the, let's say, confirmation that you normally get when a triangle is breaking into the expected direction, which in this case would be to the upside. Target wise, we took the thrust of the triangle, the height, added that to the end of the E wave in the previous video already, and it takes us perfectly to 1800, which is my target anyway for this move to the upside. Now, typically, a triangle, typically what you get, I mean, first of all, this needs to break. It's not broken yet, but let's assume it goes up. Typically, you see a very strong move. And typically, it would not massively deviate from the target, this rally. So it should really give us this, okay? Now, either after that, I mean, unsure at the moment if we get another 4 and another 5. That's what I'm not too sure about. In all likelihood, you would expect it to reach that target, not much more. If it goes higher, so either it is normally short and goes to the target, or you will get a massively extended wave. At least that's sort of the guideline as per Elliott Wave rules and guidelines, that either it is short, I mean swift, and reaches target, or if it goes beyond that, you will get a massively extended wave. Volume might give us a hint there. At the moment we see increased volume, but already highlighted to you in the previous videos about Bitcoin today, and I think I mentioned it in Ethereum as well, that typically towards the end of such a triangle you see a decline in volume. When you then see a spike in volume, especially buying volume, then it indicates the triangle is about to break. Now, it obviously needs to follow through now. It hasn't done that, but that's sort of what I'm watching now. Ideal target would be 1800. Then we need to be on the lookout, because this wave could then be finished. I would prefer one more low and one more high. But again, could be wrong here. Depends on how we count this. I did count it as an expanded flat. It's also possible to count this as the 4, this as the 5, higher degree 3 here. This is now a wave 4 triangle of sorts, and we then finish off this entire move with this 5. These are sort of the key considerations and what you need to be aware of. If we, however, now come down, break below the C wave low at 1680, then this triangle will get invalidated. It could still become an extended triangle, but at the latest, if we drop below 1630, which would be the A wave low of the triangle is completely invalidated, and we are probably going to face a retest of Monday's lows. That's sort of in a nutshell what Ethereum is doing here at the moment and the levels that need to be watched. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.